Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 4th, 2022. We have here one regular puzzle, and this puzzle is a Sudoku Medium, and in this newspaper we have also an additional, but not the additional that we know, no, because in this newspaper there is no additional but the summer additional. We have here the summer additional, only the summer additional. And look, we have here 4 puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the tectonic with 4 stars. And those puzzles I'm not interested. The Swedish puzzles and the crossword puzzles, whole page. But yeah, the normal additional we don't have in the newspaper of today. Only the summer additional with 4 puzzles. I will do those 4 puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, let me show you. Holland, yes, it's very dry. Yes, the past 2 weeks, there's no rain here. Yeah. So the water level is very low here. So never been so low. Maybe the climate change. Well, we hope that in a few days we will have rain. Otherwise, it will be trouble with the drinking water. Yes. All right. Enough talking about the daily news. Let me start with this Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 4959. Yes, 4959. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Sudoku's in additional, this will be a 2 stars, and for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 8. We have a 7 and an 8 in the middle row, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, then, let me see. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in the last column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 7. Should be there. Alright. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 2 and the 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 and a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And how about these 2 numbers in this row below? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the 1 and the 4. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 in this column, middle column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Okay, then. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4, it goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Can I finish with the 2? Yes, the 2 in the third row, the 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Okay. Alright. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the row below? So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers are, the missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the third column. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 3, 4, 6. Then, let me see. Okay. Let me think. 5. Okay. And now. Come on. 3, 8, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. So one box left in this row for the number 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Oh, one box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, one box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8. It goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row B3 in the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s, not used. I need a 4 there. Here also a 4. Okay, cannot continue with 4. How about the 6 then? 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. How about the 8 then? Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yeah. Digit number 4, number 8. Let me see. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes early with a 1 and a 4. Now we have a 1 here in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 7 and the 4, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 15 minutes. I've told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later. Later with the extra puzzles. Not in the normal additional, regular additional. No, it's the summer additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.